So in this video I will tell you how to add multiple text clip on Instagram videos and what is the advantage of using multiple text clip in your Instagram videos and advantage of adding text on Instagram videos for different times. So now people will rewatch your reels video if they miss any part of your text clip on video. So this will make Instagram feels like people are rewatching and enjoying, so they will suggest your video in explore section. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application and click on this home icon here, you can see, and click on the plus icon you can see on the top left. So I will click on this one. Now go to reels section here. Okay, so once you go to reels section, you can record anything if you want, or you can select it from phone gallery. So for now I will select it from my phone gallery. So this is a video. So now I will tell you how to add a text for a different duration. Click on add here. So now click on this arrow icon here. Now click on AA, you can see in the top right. Okay, for example I will write hello. I will click on this A for this border. Okay, so you can also change the color by clicking on this one, and you can select whichever you want. So I will adjust here, wherever you want you can adjust. I am just showing you the example how to make it. Now second, how are you? I will again click on this A. I will keep it black only. Now thank you. So I have added three different text here. So now I want to change the duration of all these three text. Okay, so now I will click the first text. I will add a duration for a first text hello. So I will click on this. Okay, so now there is this drag option. So I will drag this hello option where till the place where it is hello. So this hello will appear only for this particular seconds. So now I will click the second one, how are you. So I will adjust this from here to till the hello part, how are you part. So this is also done. Now I will click on thank you part. So I will keep it from the starting period of thank you to the end of my video. Okay, so if you want only till the place here, then you can keep it up to here. So I am keeping till the end of my video. So I will click on this download icon. I will download it in my phone gallery and I will check how the video was edited. So I will go here, and here hello you can see, then how are you it came, now thank you. So this is how you can add a text with a duration. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.